Nina's Jewellery was founded in 1965 in Argyle, Western Australia, right on the doorstep of what would become the Argyle Diamond Mine. We've been manufacturing and selling fine diamond jewellery for about 60 years in both retail and wholesale. We're an Argyle Pink Diamond Select Atelier, meaning that we're one of about 30 jewellers in the world who are trusted to create for and celebrate the incredibly rare Argyle Pink Diamond. And we're also natural coloured diamond specialists, with some of our pieces featuring stones from up to 5 different countries. Custom makes are a big part of what we do here.
The CAD designer will do the designs with all the fine detail, which is really hard to get it by hand. From there on, I will put it through the Solidscape printing program. A Solidscape printer is a wax printer. It injects the wax onto a plate, so you get more finer resolutions and your detail is more finer. Less gold to use in your cast and a better finish. We've got a bold wax, which is a dark blue, and a support wax, which is the red. So the dark blue will be, at the end of the day, the product, and the red is the support. That will be dissolved afterwards with a solvent. We've got a bath with solution in it. We heat it up to around about 55 degrees, and that will take all the red wax away. It's saving you money because for a 2-gram ring, you need to use at least 4 or 5 grams. You need to use double the gold to get that end product by hand. And that's why Solidscape, the loss is minimal. The benefit of Solidscape is what I am getting is exactly what I'm going to get on the print. Just for that 1mm stone to fit in there, it's just amazing. It fits perfectly. All these stones are 100% lined up, and you just go set. I don't get any porosity on the metal. It is perfect. It's precision every time.
The degree of detail and quality that can be produced out of a cutting-edge modern workshop like ours and with the help of Solidscape is vastly different to what people picture when they think of the bespoke journey. When the piece first comes out of the workshop and you see it for the first time as the person who held the customer's hand on this journey to create this piece, and it's there and it's tangible and it's been realised, there's nothing like it.